Hello everybody at the Hive, how are you today? And I hope you had a very nice weekend. After reading the Sound Collector poem, I thought it would be a good idea for me to have a go at finding some objects around my house to see what sounds they make. So let's start with, what should we go with? Ooh, glass. So we've got the clink of the glass. You have the click, not clink, the click of the stapler. We have the fizz, if you listen closely, of the can. What do we have here? We have the crack of the egg. I'm going to put that down, this one down very gently, and hopefully it doesn't roll off the table. The crunch of an apple. The jingle of the keys. This one here. The ringing of the phone. Oh, this is one of my favourites. The hiss of the shaker. Can you hear that hiss sound? So I had a lot of fun looking for objects around my house and figuring out what sounds they make, and I hope you do too. Goodbye.